We're here at the NWP Arena after the show. And the NWP champion ruined it. But anyway, John Stone, what do you think has happened about tonight and on all what took place tonight?
Well, I basically quit. I slapped that guy.
Yeah, Dickie again.
I slapped him. I lost my cool.
Yeah.
Decision was made. I have to go. I've got to take some time off, and I appreciate them not coming down on me any more than they should have. Really, they probably should have done a little more. But when it comes right down to it, I've got rules just like everybody else, and I broke a rule. They found out why I broke a rule because of snake in the grass and Wabash. The only thing for me to do right now is just take some time off, recharge my batteries, and see what I do from here.
All right, there you go. Exclusive interview right after the show. John Stone. Hope he comes back soon.
I hope so too.